So to set up a membrane feeding assay, we first take a glass tube and take a small piece of parafilm that's not stretched and pull it down around the sides like that. Then we make a small dent in it so that it would hold about 25 to 35 microliters of liquid purified virus or whatever you'd like to put on there. And add it to the surface. And then the second piece of parafilm is stretched in both directions so that the aphids can feed easily through the thin parafilm. And then that's placed right on top and stretched down over the side so that the liquid stays in a thin film. And then some aphids are placed, probably 25 to 35 or 40 aphids are placed quickly in the well, and the membrane is placed on top with a little space, not down too tightly so that it crushes the aphids. And then if they're placed on a rack so that they can get air and in a moist environment, they are allowed to feed 24 hours before they're placed on plants.